Yo, what's up, everyone? Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, praying for a little extra cash to cover that last-minute emergency or that irresistible sale? You're not alone. It's that moment when you're like, man, I wish someone could just spot me a few bucks. Well, guess what? There might be an app for that. Let's talk about Chime and their Spot Me feature. Now, I know what you're thinking, Spot Me? Sounds like some kind of dating app. Nope, it's actually a financial lifeline. But before we dive into the details, let's get real. We all go through those financial ups and downs. Payday seems like an eternity away, unexpected bills pop up, and let's not forget those impulse buys that leave you cringing. That's where Chime Spot Me could be a game changer. So, what exactly is Spot Me? In a nutshell, it's a fee-free overdraft service offered by Chime. It's like having a little financial cushion when you need it most. Imagine you're at the grocery store and your balance is looking a little bare. Instead of that dreaded overdraft fee, Chime might spot you a few bucks to cover the purchase. It's like having a friend with good timing. But here's the kicker, Spot Me isn't a magic money tree. There are a few things you need to qualify. First, you need to be a Chime member and have a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200 per month. It's their way of making sure you're a regular customer and not just trying to game the system. Once you meet that criteria, you're eligible for a Spot Me limit, which starts at $2 but can increase over time based on your account history. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is Spot Me really free? Yes, it is. No hidden fees, no interest charges, just a helping hand when you need it. But remember, it's not alone. The money you overdraw needs to be paid back with your next direct deposit. It's like borrowing from your future self, interest-free. But wait, there's more. Chime offers other features that can help you manage your money. They have automatic savings, where you can round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference. They also have a fee-free overdraft service called Spot Me for Credit Builder, which can help you build credit. So, should you ditch your traditional bank for Chime? Well, that's a decision only you can make. But if you're looking for a bank that offers fee-free services, helps you save money, and gives you a little breathing room when you need it, Chime is definitely worth considering. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions. First, is Spot Me available to everyone? Unfortunately, no. You need to meet the eligibility requirements to qualify. Second, how much can I overdraw with Spot Me? It depends on your Spot Me limit, which can increase over time. And finally, is there a catch? Nope, it's as straightforward as it sounds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, financial freedom starts with taking control of your money. And who knows, maybe Chime Spot Me could be the first step on your journey to financial independence. Peace out.